Hi class, my name is Sir Clement Maganga, Galgote State University, taking PhD in education. Now, welcome to our next section. And the next session today, we discuss about the statistical measures. We are now, if you want to know detail about the concept of statistics, please just refer my video back. But today we discuss about the statistical measures. Now let us start this. Now you are aware about this term. Now let us see this term. I think this term is very new to you. What is the measures? What is the measurement? What is measurement? Now the measurement means, now let's see measurement. What is measurement? What is measurement? Measurement is the process. Is a process of assigning. Is a process of assigning numbers to objective or observation. To objective or observation. For instance, we have chairs. Chairs. These are chairs. Here we have let's say one. We have two. So the process of putting number here, that is two chairs. That is two chairs. Now this is the object. The process of putting number to the objects. To the objects. This one is called the measurement. And the measurement in statistics, here we have 4 levels of measurement. Levels. Here we have levels of measurement. We have levels of measurement, and the measurement of levels, in short, we call it as Noir. Noir is very simple. When I've tried to put that one in short. When you say N here, this one N here is stand for N is stand for nominal, and you have another one here which is O. Or this is stand for order, and we have here I here. This one is this stand for interval, and the last one R is stand for ratio, and this is for ratio. When we say nominal here, well, this is the type of scale measurement which deal with categorization, and it's very useful, this one, in autonomous data, for instance age or sex and something like that. And the statistical measure to calculate this is called the statistical measure useful is called chi-square. We'll discuss this later. And we'll see how to calculate the chi-square. So the types of nominal scale deal with the categorizations is called the nominal. And this one, when we try to group the type of data which is useful for this one, the type of data which is useful for nominal here is a discrete data. And it is also another characteristic of this is useful for countable, for counted variables, Now it's better now to conceptualize this term variable, because before moving further, when we talk about the variable, we'll discuss it later. But right now you have to know variable is anything. The variable is anything which they take any value, which takes any value, is anything which takes any value in the data set. Anything that takes any value. We'll discuss it later. But now you have to know the meaning of the. But another one is order. When you say order here, means we present the data through ranking. Here, And for instance, when we say ranking, for instance, the teacher provides the test, and he wants to know the first students, maybe till 10th student. So we have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. So this one is called the ranking. Ranking. So we arrange them. And the useful statistical measures here is median. Median is useful statistical measures to calculate the order. Also, we have another one which is called interval. Interval here. These are data given in is nominal that is given in classes. In classes here. For instance, and this one the classes here we say here we don't have the absolute zero here. We have arbitrary zero. Arbitrary zero here. Because you cannot find the zero in the group. For instance, we have 10 to 20. This is the first group. This is the first, you may find this is the first group. But how many parameters in this one? How many frequencies of this one? We have maybe 7. Maybe the number of the samples happening in that group is 7. We have also 20 to 30. This is the second group. The second group. And let's say here we have 5. Now the type of data that is looking like that is called the interval data. It's called interval. And the useful here is mean. The useful statistical measure here is the mean. We have the last one, which is the ratio. The ratio here is showing the relationship of variables here. The relationship of variables, and the relationship of variables here, we can present this data in which here the zero is not arbitrary. I've said that the zero is arbitrary, but here zero is absolute. You say here, sorry. You say 0 is absolute. You say here, 0 is absolute. 0 is absolute. 0 is absolute. Okay, my student, today we discuss about the statistical measures. We not yet finish on discussing our topic, but we have tried to see the concept of measurement. That when we talk about the statistical measures, we have to know these levels of measurement. Thank you, class, and see you next moment. Bye, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. There are likes and comments. It's very important to you. Bye.